Good day, kids! Ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon ay tungkol sa multiplication or repeated addition. Let me cite our first example. 2 times 3. The first number tells us how many group of 3's are there, or it tells us how many times do we have to add. The second number tells us the number of members for each group. At ito yung tinatawag nating ina-add natin repeatedly. When we count, we need to start from 1. Let's think of the second number 3. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. This is the first group, and we still have one more group. Let's continue counting. 1, 2, and 3. Therefore, 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Walang kulelat sa math! Walang kulelat sa math! A campaign on numeracy brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Walang kulelat sa math!